Here is a Kia Sedona. In order to change the cabinet filter, let's go ahead and open up the passenger side door. Now open up the glove box, and whatever stuff you have in the glove box, just get it out because we're going to take this glove box down. First thing, grab that dampener arm, pull it off of there, and then push it in to get it out of the way. Now inside there is a stopper on each side. Push the glove box in, twist it left, and it comes out. Repeat the process on the other side. Push the glove box in, twist it left, and it comes off. And now the entire glove box just comes down. This gives us access to that clip there. Press it and then slide this cover out at an angle, and it comes right out. Now this is an example of a really dirty filter. Just grab it and it'll slide right out. Looks like some rodent made their home in there. So just get it out, and as you can see, the top side is the dirty side and the bottom side is the clean side. So outside air comes from the top, all the dirt gets trapped over there. Now check the link in the description if you want to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself. I'm not even going to try and put this in for now. I'm just going to buy a new one from Amazon, and when it gets here I'll put it in. Vacuum clean this if you like. If it's too dirty like this, put the cover back in at an angle just the way I'm showing. This side goes in at an angle and then clip it on and it's secured. Let's get the glove box back in position, and now look at the stopper. See, it's got like a tooth, like a step thing on one side, and the other side doesn't have it. And it's the same thing over here on the glove box, the cutout. Good, so line up the stopper with that cutout, push the glove box in, line it up, and then once it's in place, just twist your right to lock it. Good. Now the glove box stays in place. Same thing for the other side. Push it in, line it up, and then twist your right to lock it. And now grab the dampener arm, pull it out, and then put it back on. And now let's try this out. This is working good, and that is pretty much it. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.